Hi and welcome to a new video on my channel. Today it's about the conversion of a monogram kit of the Bell Huey into a flying RC helicopter using the V950 Mechanics. Now have fun! So I started with the disassembly of the V950 Mechanics, taking off the canopy and then loosening the 4 screws to take off the landing gear. You will need to apply some force to take it off. Once the landing gear is taken apart, it goes on with removing the tail boom. And for this build I will need to put on some extension wires for the tail motor. So that's why it's easy just to cut the existing wires and take off the tail boom completely. And then last step is just to take off the tail motor mount of the tail boom. And that's it. So now unboxing the monogram plastic kit, which was produced in the 1990s. So from time to time I find such kits on the internet in a used condition. And as you can see, so the instruction manual and the decals are in a pretty good shape. And this kit also comes with 2 pilot figures included and also the weapons. So you could also build a military version out of this kit if you want to. So in order to achieve a good center of gravity, the battery pack needs to be located in the most forward position. So that means in this case that I need to cut off some elements of the cockpit to make room for the battery pack. After positioning the battery pack, also the V950 Mechanics and the mainframe will be cut in order to keep at least some elements of the cockpit. So now battery pack and mechanics are in place. So the back wall of the helicopter cabin was cut to clear the main gear and the mainframe of the V950, and all the electronics will be moved behind that back wall. So it will not be visible from the outside anymore. So the mechanics are attached with a rod in between the 2 fuselage halves, and now everything is in place and the 2 fuselage halves can be joined now. So last but not least, the tail motor mount bracket had to be cut, and as well the fuselage and the tail section was modified in order to accommodate the V950 tail motor assembly. Yeah, thanks for watching this video and I hope you enjoyed it, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.